sa kagustuhang makatulong at maibahagi sa iba ang kanyang paraan upang maging healthy, sinimulan ni Crystal Reyes ang kanyang healthy juice business drink. Alamin natin ang kanyang business story dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Thank you.
Sabi nga nila, health is wealth. Kaya naman ngayon, marami ng produktong lumalabas that can improve one's health. Dahil dyan ay isang healthy and weight management juice business ang ating pinuntahan ngayon para alamin ang kanilang sikreto sa successful na negosyo. Can you tell us more about yourself, about your work prior to entering business?
Actually, before, I was a sales manager. So, kung ano-ano na rin yung company na napasukan ko. I used to be sa signages, sa watches. So, ang dami ring kinds ng mga products na nabibenta ko. And then, yun, before that, parang 8 years ako nag-employee sa corporate world.
What made you decide to shift into business?
Actually, lahat naman tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong gustong passion, di ba? Nung pinursu ko yung juicing business, talagang naisip ko na gusto ko tong gawin. Talagang kapag may goal ka talaga is kailangan mo rin i-let go yung mga ibang bagay para magawa mo yung gusto mong business.
Bakit juices of all the products that you see in the market nowadays?
Yung juicing ng fresh fruits and vegetable, kaya ko siya nagustuhan is, yung mindset ko kasi is, ayoko magkasakit. Yung ganun. So, lagi kong sinasabi na mawi-waste ko yung money ko kung magkakasakit ako. So, gusto kong ma-prevent yung mga possible diseases in the future. Nung na-share ko siya sa ibang tao, sinabi nila sa akin, ba't hindi mo to gawin na business? Parang igawa mo lang kami. As in, friends lang talaga. Ginawa ko lang sila. And then, they just pay me kung magkano yung nagastos ko, ganun. Doon na nag-start. And then, the rest is history. As in, yung social media, nakilala na siya. And then, yung mga clients' feedback, maganda. Kaya nagtuloy-tuloy na rin kami.
So maganda kasi business plus advocacy siya in one. What sets you apart or what is your advantage over the others?
Ang ginawa ko lang, pinattern ko lang doon sa kung ano yung mission ko sa business ko, which is to help others and then to be part of their lifestyle. Yung selling point kasi namin is yung being parang love your body. This is one way of like rewarding yourself.
What are the lessons that you have learned all throughout your business journey that you can share with our aspiring entrepreneurs out there?
Number one is talagang take care of your clients. Always listen kung ano yung sasabihin nila sa'yo. Parang kahit positive, negative, take mo yon as learnings para i-improve yung products mo, yung business mo. And then, second one is never stop learning and innovating. Kasi ngayon, talagang we know that change is constant, 'di ba? So, we have to learn to develop new products para yun, alam natin yung depende sa market na kinikater natin kung anong gusto nating market. So, yon. And then lastly, gumawa tayo ng team na merong vision and mission na same as you. At meron pare-pareho tayong goals na gusto nating i-achieve. Kasi yun talaga yung mag-help sa'yo maging successful ka sa isang business. You can't make it like ikaw lang mag-isa.
Ang best business strategy ay ang masiguro na satisfied ang lahat ng iyong customer. Yan ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ni Crystal Reyes. Sa susunod na episode ay panibagong business story at business tips na naman ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!